Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your PayPal account. If you're new to Guide Infinity, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you've done that, if you could hit the like button as well, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to come to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which looks like this. And if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see a little cog icon, which is our settings. So if you go and give this a click, then it's going to take you across to your settings. From here, you just want to make sure that you're on your actual account page. And if you look at the very top, you've got these different options. If you click on data and privacy and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can see an option here to delete or close your account. So just go ahead and select this option, and then it's going to come up with a pop-up. Just a couple of questions. So it's just going to ask us, so before we continue, if your account is limited, go to the Resolution Center, select Go to Account Limitations, click Resolve. Make sure any outstanding payments have cleared. We won't be able to close your account until they do. Transfer your PayPal balance to your bank. You want to make sure that you've got no money left in there, otherwise they won't be able to close it. If you have a negative balance, click the Resolve Your Negative Balance link next to your PayPal balance. So you just want to make sure you go through this list before you continue. It then says that once your account is clear, and it will then be able to close your account and delete your data as well. They're going to email you to let you know the status, and also if there's any other steps that you need to take. So you just need to click this box here to show that you understand and that you're happy to continue. You can then fill in your email address here in this box so that you can get updates about your request. If you then press continue, and then you have the option to say why it is that you are wanting to delete your PayPal account. So if you click on whichever reason is relevant to you, and then press close my account, and then you've just got another quick security step here. So if you just confirm that's your number, click next, and then it will take you through. It has sent you a code, so if you just enter the code that you've received by SMS, and then amazing, you are all good to go, and PayPal will start working on that request for you. So make sure you hit done, and then super, you are all good to go with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it does mean so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.